Sebebalelwa kwabangu-15 asebethe badlula emhlabeni ngenxa yesifo esihlasele eHammanskraal. Mbukele lethu kuhle Ndlala TV sikwamukele futhi. Nazi sikuphathele zona. Sekuqinisekiwe ukuthi sebengu-15 asebethe badlula emhlabeni emveni kokuba bebulawe isifo seCholera esihlasele eHammanskraal ePretoria. Nokwenza umphakathi wavuka umbhejezane waxosha loyo umholi owe-DA obaphethe emveni kokuba bebe namagamana akhombisayo emveni kokuba kube namagamana abawabhekise kuyena akhombisayo ukuthi uhlulekile ibona naku bebhubha inxa yesifo kulandela emveni kokuba kungabe bikho amanzi.
This is a plan that's been, of course, within the land for quite some time. The residents have been saying they don't want the mayor to come into this area because they feel they've been failed by the current administration and the previous DA-led administration as well. They're saying that the mayor coming here was a waste of time, and therefore they decided to actually chase him out, bashing the mayor's VIP protection vehicle. He has to be escorted by the VIP security protection unit as well, and he has now left the vicinity. But these are some of the residents in Hammanskraal who are saying this is a persisting matter that's been ignored by quite some time, and therefore that's why they are actually blocking the Jubilee District Hospital gate outside. They're saying that they want permanent solutions and not just only a talk show that's not going to yield any results. Now, earlier on I spoke to two families who lost their loved ones in this corona outbreak, which is of course under the spotlight in Hammanskraal, and they are now preparing to bury their loved ones. And it seems as though throughout the week you will be seeing some of these protests and demonstrations happening.
Mbukele lethu kuhle Ndlala TV sikwamukele futhi. Nazi sikuphathele zona. Sebebalelwa kwabangu-15 asebethe badlula emhlabeni ngenxa yesifo esihlasele eHammanskraal. Esidalwe ukungabe bikho kwamanzi isikhathi eside ukugcina abantu bephuza amanzi angekho healthy nangekho esimene esikahle ukuthi ngaphuzwa abantu uma kuziwa ngakwezimo zabo zempilo. Mbukele lethu kuhle Ndlala TV izolo ezibesiphathele zona. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, sikuthanda kakhulu.